Hi traders, it's Eddie here from TradeView and welcome to episode 389 of Trading Talk. In this episode we'll reveal a brand new semi-automated strategy designed to replace the habit of clicking the buy button with something far more disciplined. Turning on your semi-automated algo in buy-only mode. This simple shift ensures every trade follows strict risk and trade management rules, no exceptions. We've also added a built-in counter to track how many times you're correct after switching the algo on. And we're challenging the Trading Talk community to see who can be right the most times over the next 30 days. And don't forget, the 2025 Algo Trading Conference is coming up fast. This year's speakers, Dr. Daniel Sinig, Boris Schlossberg and Alan Clement, are set to deliver world-class strategies and insights that will take your trading to the next level. It's shaping up to be an unmissable event. Enjoy this week's episode of Trading Talk, and until next week, all the best with your trading.